Dear students, Namaste. I want to start chapter geometry. First of all, you should have basic concept of a triangle. Then after, how can you show two triangles congruent? Then I want to give you some ideas and axioms to show congruency. So these are very important in our mathematics. Uh, this is not in geometry. You can use these concept in your further mathematics also. So try to take the concept of congruency and how can you show two triangles congruent. You know there are five axioms to show two triangles are congruent. Then I want to show you these five axioms and how can you show these two triangles congruent. First of all, you should be clear what is congruent. So if you have a two triangles to any shape of a figure, then these two are exactly same as, that means both figure cover exactly same area, then these two figures are said to be congruent. Then you can take two figures, then you can observe these two objects from different angles, but it may cover their equal area and equal shape. So these two figures or triangle are said to be congruent. Then you can observe here what does congruence means. You have a basic idea. Then it is denoted by this symbol. It is equal to, then after that symbol, so it is your congruent symbol. Don't forget. Then suppose you have this, yeah, part, then how can you remember congruent of this exactly same figure? Then now look here. Okay, you have two, both are exactly same. Now this one, then yeah, one is exactly same as another. So these two are congruent. Now you can take another also. So these three figures are congruent. Then you can write down these three figures are congruent, then this symbol, don't forget. Okay, congruent triangle. Suppose you have a triangle, then yeah, you can understand these two triangles are equal shapes and sizes. These two triangles are equal shapes and sizes. Then these two triangles are congruent. Now you can observe this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle, this is equal to this one, and this is equal to this angle. So all sides and all angles are equal here. So these two triangles are congruent. Then look again this one single figure, then you can take exactly same size of another triangle. So these two triangles are congruent. Okay, now you can rotate them. These are also congruent. Yes, you can observe these two triangles from any direction. Now, first of all, I want to give you first axiom. It is S.S.S. It is side, side, side. By these three sides, you can show two triangles are congruent. Now, first you have a length, a side, then you can take exactly same length of side. Then you can take another side, then join this. Then again you have another side. Then yes, you have this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side. If you do overlapping these two, if you write down these as a single place, then one figure cover another. So these are coincident. That means their sides are equal. That means first side is equal to another first side, second side is equal to another second side, and third side is equal to third side. In your figure, blue color side is equal to blue color, red is equal to another red, and green is equal to another green. So these respectively sides are equal from these two triangle. Now if you combine these, you will get the same figure. Then you have these two triangles. Yes, first side is equal to this one, second also equal, third is also equal. Then these two triangles are congruent. Now you know, if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are also equal. That means corresponding sides, that means you have red line is equal to this red line, opposite of this line, opposite angle of this red line is this angle, and opposite of this red line is this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are said to be corresponding angle. Similarly, opposite of green is this one, opposite of green is this one. So these two angles are also equal. And lastly, this angle, it is opposite of blue, and last one, this, it is opposite of blue. So these angles are equal. Now look here. Yes, this angle is equal to this angle, this also equal to this one, and last one is equal to the last one. So we did here S.S.S axiom. Then these two triangles are congruent. Then we get their corresponding angles are also equal. So from this S.S.S axiom, you can show these two triangles are congruent. Then after, another axiom, S.A.S axiom. Now for this, you can take one side in two places, one side that is equal side in two places. Then you can take equal angle of both on that line. Then these two are equal. Then take another side. Yeah, okay, this is another equal line. Then yes, you observe first side is equal to another first side. This angle is equal to this one, and this side is equal to this side. So you have respectively first side is equal to first side's angle is equal to angle, second side is equal to second side. Then S.A.S, this is in your order. It is order. Don't break your order. Now then after, you can see only these two triangles are congruent. Then now these you get two triangles. So by as axiom, these two triangles are congruent. Yeah, finally you will get third side also equal, third side also equal. Then yes, another angle also equal, and another angle also equal. Now you should convert that S.A.S axiom. S.A.S axiom, yes, shows congruency of these two triangles. But after this, after congruency, these two triangles, you have their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. And finally, if you compare these axiom at first axiom, that S.S.S axiom, you will get the same result. Now look here, their all sides, their respective all sides are equal, their respective all angles are equal. You got in first congruency axiom, in this second also you got same result. If you do combine them, exactly same figure you will get. So these two triangles are congruent. Don't forget, yes, first you have S.S.S, then after S.A.S, these are your congruency. Now I want to show you another example. It is S.A.S axiom, S.A.S axiom. And this axiom, first you should take one angle, then after side. Now take side and angle, another angle also equal. Then you got angle, side, angle continuously. Look there, continuously in both figure. Then after this side also equal, then join these two sides When these two sides, you will get two triangles. Now you can see these two triangles are congruent. Yeah, these two triangles are congruent. Then this side, green side is equal to green side. Another side also equal to this one. And finally, angle, remaining angle, that is corresponding angle also equal. So by A.S.A. axiom, you can see these two triangles are congruent. Then after this, you can say their corresponding sides and angles are also equal. Then if you take like this way, this side is equal to this side and this angle is equal to this angle and this side is equal to this side, then you can see these two triangles are congruent by A.S.A. axiom. And it is fourth axiom, it is A.A.S. axiom, angle side axiom. First take one angle, equal angles, then after another equal angle, then take side. Now we are going to make triangle, this side also equal, angle, side. Then these two triangles are congruent if you join like this. So by A.A.S, these two triangles are congruent. Then you can see their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are also equal. Now this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this angle is equal to this angle. So again you can compare their respective sides are equal and respective angles are equal. Now you can convert finally exactly same as previous position. Now finally it is R.S.S. axiom. For this one, first take 90 degree, it is right angle, then you can take two sides, it is hypotenuse, both are equal length. Then it is another side, exactly take same side. Then if you form this figure, it is triangle, both are congruent by R, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle, hypotenuse and side by R.S.S. axiom, these two triangles are congruent. This hypotenuse equal, yes, side also equal, then these two triangles are congruent. Finally, you can, so by another method, it is by another side. So angle, it is right angle, it is hypotenuse, and this is side R.S.S. also. Then you can see these two triangles are congruent. Okay, these are a basic concept of congruency. Okay, I want to give you special thanks to Dinesh Shrestha sir, who helped me to animate this slide. Okay, after this one I'll start your parallelogram chapter. Thank you.